Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Nikit here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Dropbox account. So without any further ado, let's get started. On your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I am going with Google Chrome and on the search URL, search for dropbox.com. Once you press enter, you will land on this interface. Now, in order to log into your account, from the upper right corner of your screen, you will see login option near get started. So click on login. Then you land on this login or sign up page. In here, you can simply continue with your Google account or your Apple account or else with your email account. Here, I will go with my email. So type in the email address that you have used while signing up on Dropbox. After that, click on continue. Then here you have to enter your password that you have created while signing up on Dropbox. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover by clicking on this link that says and then you can recover your password. Now, if you want to save in your login credentials for the next time you log in, simply turn on the checkbox that says remember me. Once you're done with that, click on login again. And with that, you will get logged into your Dropbox account. This is how you can log into your Dropbox account on your desktop. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.